Chatgpt is a revolutionary language model that can help you create amazing videos. In this short script, we will explore how you can use Chatgpt to generate ideas, write scripts, and even edit your videos. Visuals: a person sitting at a computer, using Chatgpt to generate ideas for a video script. One of the most powerful things about Chatgpt is its ability to generate ideas. Simply tell Chatgpt what topic you want to make a video about, and it will provide you with a list of ideas. You can then use these ideas to brainstorm and develop your script. Chatgpt can also be used to write your video scripts. Simply provide Chatgpt with a brief outline of your video, and it will generate a script for you. You can then edit the script to your liking. Visuals: a person using Chatgpt to edit a video. Chatgpt can even be used to edit your videos. Simply tell Chatgpt what you want to change about your video, and it will provide you with suggestions. You can then use these suggestions to improve your video. Chatgpt is a powerful tool that can help you create amazing videos. With Chatgpt, you have the power to unleash your creativity and create something truly remarkable.